Remember there was the air hog, an air-powered flying toy? Well, this is the air-powered tiny piglet. I was given a launcher to launch these construction paper rockets, and it launches them really high. So then I had this idea that maybe I could launch a glider by strapping the tube to the bottom of it. Well, this foam glider was too heavy and too much drag, and maybe only got about 25 feet high. So I thought I would try a lighter glider, and I had this thermal Piglet glider designed by Lee Campbell. Previously, I had attached a TSP jet motor to it and flew it that way, and it worked pretty good. First flight, I only pumped it up to maybe 25 psi. It didn't go very high. I adjusted the turn and pumped it up more pressure. This was probably the best flight, and I thought maybe it might hit a thermal as it got on the edge of the field. The best transition seemed to be when it went straight up and then went slightly inverted and then rolled out at the top. That could use some more experimentation. This next flight I'm going to do the first part in slow motion so you can see the pattern. I tried using different launch angles and also banking the glider on the launch to see what might work better. I'm not just sure I found it yet. On the next launch, the paper tube came loose, but that was the only damage. On this launch, a piece of tape came loose, and it really caused a lot of drag on launch. Well, in the last flight, I pumped it up a little bit too much. It blew up the paper tube, which blew up one half of the wing. I glued the pieces of the wing together out at the field, but I'll have to make another tube. As you might have noticed in my videos, I really like to experiment and try some odd things at times.